Hi everyone. Today I will be presenting to the district's Hi everyone. Today I will be presenting my technology collaborative plan with the district. So I have my technology sales pitch, and I would like to start by saying my logo is where students' achievement comes first. Our mission, as you can see, the mission of the district-wide technology committee is to promote 21st century skills for all students, schools, and communities within the district while maintaining good digital citizenship using the Microsoft Surface and Go tablets and its programs responsibly. Our strategy: District-wide technology committee is to integrate 21st century skills into teaching and learning in all schools and communities within the district, utilizing the one-to-one computing school system with the Microsoft Surface Go tablet to create and maintain an environment of collaboration, communication, creativity, and reflection in physical and virtual spaces, which will enhance teaching, learning, and development for all those involved. Our motivation: incorporating the 21st century skills into our classroom with the use of a Microsoft Surface Go for each student will allow teachers and students to collaborate on student-centered assignments. Even though students and teachers learn in the classroom, there will be added tools for communication and collaboration on many research topics and virtual experiences. Utilizing these devices through student-centered instructional methods regarding real-world issues, students will be able to think critically and use their inherent creativity in the virtual space. Allowing students to utilize technology in order to solve real-world problems will allow for greater productivity and increased reflection on their own skills within the class. So that is our mission. Our timeline: Phase 1 is exploration. So that's where we get together and we come up with our committee, the plans for the technology, and all that, and hopefully get it implemented to the point where we can get it started. We'll have the finances together, how much it will cost, things like that. Phase 2 will be the design. Within the community, we will figure out exactly how we want to implement the Microsoft Goes, why they're important, what 21st century collaborative tools we can use. Phase 3 will be the development, so getting our infrastructure together and developed, getting our wireless broadband and network upgraded so the internet and wireless will be faster. Phase 4 will be the implementation, so that will just be getting the Microsoft Surface Goes out to the students, making sure that they get their proper, making sure they understand how to use them and they're equipped with their email and stuff, and then giving the teachers professional development on all the great apps there is to use to collab correctly. And then phase 5 will be years of success, and we think that it'll be at least 10 plus years of success on the Microsoft Go. Our products and locations: we want the Microsoft Surface Pro, so our proposed products, we want to upgrade our infrastructure. That will help support the increase of devices needed on the network. It'll help cloud for the storage, and it'll make sure that the learners have a robust filtered internet friendly environment, so it's a safe environment for our students. The second proposed product is the wireless broadband and extender, and we believe with faster internet, It'll help students take advantage of the many benefits of learning, and our campus will be able to support the amount of speed and technology that's going to be going through each day, so we don't have many technology problems or wireless down and stuff like that. And our Microsoft Surface with a 5-year warranty. That's our other product, and we definitely think that the Microsoft Go tablet will create and maintain an atmosphere of collaboration, communication, creativity, and reflection in physical and virtual spaces, which will enhance teaching, learning, and development for all those involved. We also have our people that will be in place to help all this go smoothly. Our Director of Technology is responsible for leading the team in all efforts, along with District Coordinator of Technology and Instruction. So they'll be kind of the face of all of the technology that'll go into it, the modems, the infrastructure, and doing all the research on the Microsoft products. The administrations, their main focal point will be to ensure administration is represented and student and teachers' voices are heard, so their concerns are there, any difficulties they're having or experiencing, any ways that they can help with the technology project. And then we would need the president of the Parent Teacher Association, or the PTA, and the PTA will round the committee in order for each individual school stakeholder to be involved in the development and implementation of the district-wide one-to-one computing initiative. And lastly, our proposed programs. So some of our must-have tech tools for collaborations are Google Apps for Education, Class Dojo, Kahoot, Flipgrid, MindMeister, Google Hangouts or Mind, social media, Periscope, Skype, and K-Geography, and so many, many, many more. So we think that our Microsoft Go is the best representation of the technology plan that we can come up with. We find so many benefits, the battery life, and just so many things. Just the life of the computer, the smallness, and I think that is perfect for our students and for what we have planned. Thank you guys so much for listening.